Just imagine that you made $500 on YouTube. Then when you are about to start getting your payment in your bank account, YouTube decides to remove 30% from your total earnings. That is about $150 from what you earn as US tax withholding. That is what will happen when you do not submit your tax info in your Google AdSense. So when your channel gets monetized, you need to provide your tax information in your Google AdSense. It is a must for every content creator on YouTube, irrespective of the country you are residing in. So in today's video, I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can successfully submit your tax information on Google as a non-US citizen with your mobile phone. So to submit your tax info, log into your AdSense account. At the top of your account, you will see Manage Tax Info here. Click on it. Next, you will click on Add Tax Info here under United States. You can choose to read these informations before you start. And if you are satisfied with it, click on Start Form. Next, you will need to sign in with your phone passkey to verify it's you. If you are an individual running this account, you will select Individual. If you are a business entity, select this. And if you are not a citizen or resident of the United States, you will select No here. Down here, select W8 BEN. This is the right form for an individual account. But if your account is registered as a business, then you will choose this one, W8 ECI form. After that, click on Start W8 BEN form. Your name should appear here. Then choose your country of residence. The rest information here is optional. Click on Next. Now the next step is for you to enter your address. If your mailing address is the same as your residence address, check here and click on Next. Here you can claim a reduced rate for tax withholding under a tax treaty. You can check if this is available for your country. Nigeria is not on the list. So I will click No, I am not eligible. Have you performed any activities or services for Google within the United States? Mine is No. Click on this box, I certify, and click on Next. The next step is how do you want to receive your tax info? Is it through paperless? That is, if you want it through your email. Or is it through mailing? That is, if you want it through the post office. Here you see that paperless is recommended. So I click on paperless because I want to receive it through my email account. On this box, I accept the paperless agreement. Click on Next. Check here to confirm that all your informations are correct. You can zoom the tax form to view your information. Click on Next. After that, click here to certify the informations provided. Here, click on Yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section. Your name should appear here under full legal name. Then finally, click on Submit. As you can see here, your tax info has been accepted. Status approved. So this is how to successfully submit your tax information in Google AdSense. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find this informative. Thank you for watching this video.